Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Rodeway Inn and Suites Jacksonville near Camp Lejeune. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This Rodeway Inn and Suites Jacksonville near Camp Lejeune, North Carolina motel is about 15 minutes drive from Linwood Park Zoo. It offers a daily continental breakfast, an outdoor pool and guest laundry facilities. Rooms include free Wi-Fi. A cable TV and a work desk are provided in all rooms at Rodeway Inn and Suites Jacksonville. The traditionally styled rooms feature warm colors, a microwave, a small fridge and coffee-making facilities are included. The Jacksonville Rodeway Inn and Suites is within 5 minutes drive of Jacksonville Country Club and the Beirut, Vietnam Memorial. Sherwood Forest Park is 2 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.